No,
come along.
listen, Brother Rajiv,
Can't
isn't the risk factor getting quite higher? Just try to understand. I mean, it's about decorating the bridal chamber for Sid and Mithai. I think we should be little scared. Hey, Sandy, no. Listen, there is nothing to be scared of. We have our tigress Mithai with us. She will definitely manage Siddharth, no stress.
But I don't think that Mithai will be able to manage so much.
Hey, what is all this? These people are confusing me continuously. Hey, tell me, what is the final decision? Should I enter Siddharth's room or not?
What? Why shouldn't you enter? What kind of question is this? There has to be a celebration of their first night. Am I saying anything wrong?
You aren't saying anything wrong. But the thing is that it's not the marriage between you and Nipa. It's the marriage between Siddharth, Mr. Bittergoat, and our sweet Mithai. There's a little difference between the two.
Yes.
No, Rajiv. Why should there be any difference? A marriage is a marriage, no matter how it has happened. And even Sid and Mithai should realize that. Listen, go ahead. Nipa, you two go with Rajiv.
Me?
Yes, you. Go inside, just spread the flower petals on the bed and come back.
That's it.
Yes.
Mhm.
Go, we will be on guard over here.
Yes.
But I must say this. You have said something priceless. A marriage is a marriage.
Yeah.
So, dear Rajiv, you have to be fearless for your life and enter Siddharth's room today and spread flower petals on the bed.
On the bed.
Let's march ahead, Nipa. Why should we fear death? In order to protect her children, Matungi has embarked on a battle today. This is amazing. Oh my. Listen, Nipa, this is an extremely well-decorated room. I've been married for so many years. I've never entered this room.
Yes, even I also didn't enter this room that much. But Rajiv,
Hmm?
I still don't believe that how Sid and Mithai will stay in this room together.
Look, Nipa, the concept of marriage is a very strange thing. Many impossible things become possible. You'll understand all this when you'll get married. But as of now, let's finish the task that we have come here for. Since we have entered the tiger's den, it'll be better if we can get out as soon as possible. Come here. Why should we fear death? In order to protect her children, Matungi has embarked on a battle today.
Listen, Mithai, hurry up, my child. They are coming to deck you up for the first conjugal night. Listen, Mithai, you are going to embark on a new life. I can't tell you how relaxed I'm feeling today. Lord has really been kind to me. Extremely kind. Listen, I was thinking of calling your uncle tomorrow and ask him to take me back to Chennai. You don't worry. Gulti is there to take care of me.
Look, mother, I'm really getting very angry now. I'm telling you. What are you saying? Where will you go? I'm clearly telling you I will no way go to Mr. Bitterguard's room. Why should I go there to get scolded?
What's wrong with you? You can't even walk properly. And what nonsense are you talking? Huh? You have grown up so big, but your senses haven't matured yet. Strange.
Auntie Parvati, someone is there to talk to you.
Who?
That day, I didn't leave the wedding venue intentionally. Before that, something had happened that I wasn't in my senses, Aunt. Believe me, I didn't mean to harm you. Please forgive me. If possible,
Please ask him to beg for forgiveness from grandfather. Grandfather was devastated. I think he isn't aware of that. We would have probably lost grandfather.
Shom, you should seriously go to Grandpa and talk to him once. Grandpa had become too unwell. You please go and talk to him. Please.
Siddharth, it's good that you have come here. I had to say something to you. I want to go back to Junai within a couple of days. Staying at daughter-in-law's place doesn't look good. Actually, I'm a little orthodox in my values. That's why.
No, aunt. There's no question about that. Your doctor's here. Your treatment is here. How will you leave the city? Aunt, please don't think about all these things. Gulti, show me Aunt Parvati's stock of medicine.
You don't need to do this. I have all the medicines. I have all the medicines stocked up.
Not all medicines are stocked up. We have to get 2 medicines tomorrow itself. One minute. Hold this. Hello? 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 I don't understand. Why do I lose network in this house?
Mithai, you listen. It is your good fortune to have a husband like him. I'm telling you, this boy will really make you happy. Mark my words. No matter whatever people may say.
Absolutely not. The Lord lends him some good senses at times, so he suddenly does some good deeds. But he is completely bitter human being. Who doesn't eat sweets? Won't he be bitter? Yes, he will be. But yes, at least he could stop you from leaving this house, your beloved. Whatever.
What is whatever? Say son-in-law. Now hurry up, Mithai. Gulti, why are you standing here? Go and call Sister Nipa and Sister Shri. Go quickly. Go.
Mother. I won't go. I'm not liking the idea. I won't go. Sister Nipa, Sister Shri, please, I won't go to Mr. Bitterguard's room. Anyway, that place is full of artifacts. Besides, when your angry brother will appear in front of me, he'll burn me to ashes with his glance. See, you all know, right, that I can't control my speed. What if I suddenly bump into something or break something? No, I shouldn't. No, wait.
What's wrong with you? Can't you even stand straight? Why are you talking so much? Listen one thing very carefully. From today onwards, you aren't going to stay with
Mother,
me. She doesn't have any senses.
Mother, please let me stay in your room. Please, Mother, please. No, I mean, Mr. Bitterguard. That man, whenever that man is in my presence, my limbs don't remain in my control. I can't control my speed. And the accidents happen.
Mithai, look, the elders won't come this side now. We are given the responsibility to escort you to Sid's room. So, if you don't follow our instructions now, if you don't go to Sid's room along with us, then we will be the ones who will get scolded for no reason. Right, Aunt?
Absolutely.
Aunt Parvati, go to your room. We'll take care of Mithai, okay?
Okay.
Hey, you.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go now.
What's with the delay? Bring Mithai now.
Tell me what's the matter with you? Siddharth has gone out of his room for a while to make a phone call. You should take Mithai to his room
The
now.
problem is that Mithai doesn't want to go.
What?
Sid will be back in his room any moment now and will say, I won't follow any more ritual. That's it.
No, we can't give up so easily. Mithai, don't be afraid. Come along with us. If Siddharth scolds you, we will be standing
Yes,
by
yes,
your
we all are
side.
there to support
Won't
you.
we support her?
Yes,
of
we
course
will.
we will.
Brother Atul, my hands are trembling, you see?
Look at her.
Aren't they trembling? Why is the Lord repeatedly
nonsense?
pushing
He's
me?
coming.
Oh, he's coming.
He's coming.
Hey.
What?
What's the matter, huh?
Siddharth is coming. Hurry up. What is this? Why is Mithai still standing here? He will be able to see you as soon as he enters the house.
Oh, no. Mithai, let's go upstairs. Come. Listen, we have risked our lives to spread flower petals in Sid's room. Don't let us down now, okay?
Yes.
Don't let us down.
Let's go. Hurry up. Come on.
Hurry up.
Quickly.
Yes.
Go.
Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on, this way.
I don't understand why I don't get network in this house at times.
He hasn't noticed the bed. We have got help
Oh,
from the Lord.
oh Lord. Oh Lord, Lord, Lord.
Come on,
Let's
come
go,
on,
let's go.
Come on. Everything is ready. The ambience is also fine. Mr. Bittergourd is also in good mood. He's playing the guitar and singing a song.
Brother, be serious.
Mithai, please don't stand here. Be fearless and go inside. We are there to support you. No, I mean, we are right behind you.
And Mithai, if anything happens, we'll be there to support
Yes,
you.
yes. Come,
Let's
come,
go,
come,
let's
come.
go, let's go.
Go inside. Go, go,
Should I?
go.
Hey, brother Rajiv,
Hmm.
I'm feeling a little bit nervous.
Why? Is this your first night?
Mine?
Can you guys please keep quiet? Mithai,
Hmm?
go.
Should I go?
Yes, you should
Let
go.
me gather some courage first.
Go, 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 go.
Oh Lord, please help me. Lord, please help me. Going.
Careful, careful.
Thank you. Thank you, oh Lord.
You again? What's the matter? Why have you come to this room? What do you want?
Oh my. As if I came to this room willingly to stay. Everybody asked me to stay in this room from today onwards.
Who told you? You're asked to stay in this room. This is my room. What's all this? Now I understand. This is not done. Listen, this is my room and I don't share my room with anyone. Do you understand?
Oh, my nose got narrowly saved.
Oh Lord, this isn't fair.
Hey, you can express
Huh?
your sympathy later. Mithai, you can't back off like this. Come on, go inside.
Yes, Mithai, enough is enough. Not anymore. Now you'll directly go inside. Remember that you're Sid's legally wedded wife now.
Everything has got a limit. That girl wants to stay in this room now. I really don't understand why they don't understand my point. They are considering that girl to be my wife now.
Go inside. We should go away from here. You go ahead.
You are absolutely right. Rajiv, this isn't a joke anymore. Mithai, don't be scared at all. Just knock the door. Let's go, let's go, let's
Yes.
go.
Let's go,
What?
let's go.
Hey.
Let's go.
Hey, stop. Don't leave me alone. Oh no. Everybody left. Will it be right to disturb him again? Mithai will surely get beaten up this time. No. Mithai can't do this anymore.
Yes. Hit.
Let's go,
Come on,
let's go,
let's go.
Quiet,
Come
quiet, come on.
Super hit.
Come
It's
on,
a
come
super
on.
hit. It's a super hit film. Yes.
Quiet.
Wait. It's quite late now. Go back to your rooms now, all right?
Okay.
Ratul,
Yes.
come, let's go home.
Bye.
Oof.
Look, there are many rooms in this house. You can go to any of the rooms you like and sleep. I can't share my room with anyone else. Everybody in this house knows that. Please, go. There are many rooms in this house. You can go to any of the rooms you like and sleep.
What should I do now? If I go to mother, she will say, Mithai, you must have done something wrong. And grandfather? If grandfather comes to know about this, he'll be very sad. And the rest of the people? They'll also become very angry. No, oh Lord. Mithai doesn't want so much problem. Mithai doesn't want so much problem. I'm feeling irritated now. No. If I go to mother's room now, she will ask me a lot of questions. I won't go to mother's room.
Look, there are many rooms in this house. You can go to any of the rooms you like and sleep. This is my room and I don't share my room with anyone. Do you understand?
Why can't I remove this? Why? Why is tears rolling down from my eyes? Why, oh Lord? Why am I crying so much? Why? Rather, I'm saved. I'm saved that I didn't have to stay at Mr. Bitterguard's room. Yet why am I crying so much? Why am I feeling so insulted? I'm feeling like I have barged into someone's life. And after forcefully getting into someone's life, I have created problem. But that isn't Mithai's nature. Mithai didn't go to anyone's room forcefully. Why did I go to his room? Why did I listen to them and go to Mr. Bitterguard's room? Oh Lord, why did I go there? I won't tolerate any more insult. Not at all. Oh Lord, please tell me. What should I do? Please tell me. How will I tolerate so much insult? I won't.
I will arrive in 15 minutes. Your car is here. Oh, I completely forgot that I have to go for a site visit today. Tess, inform me before you leave. I am running late today. Okay? What a mess this place is. This girl really doesn't have any sense. All the flowers are spread over here. Couldn't she put them in the dustbin? Strange. Now even Lakshmi's mom won't be present in the kitchen. What's this? What drama is this now? Why are you sleeping here? Lakshmi's mom? There are flowers in my room. Clear it all.
Don't ask me. Mom wanted to offer some sweet to Lord in the name of you and Mithai. That's why I made it early in the morning. Where is Lakshmi's mom? Lakshmi's mom? Oh, there she is. Are your hands clean? Please keep this in the puja room. Be careful with it, okay? Sid, why did you wake up so early? Mithai? Hey, Mithai. Why are you in this condition? Hey, what happened? Tell me. Hey. Oh my, why are these gold jewelry all around the floor? You look so pale. What happened, my child? Tell me. Tell me. Sid, what is she doing here?
How will I know, Aunt Topper? I asked her the same thing. Why is she sleeping in the kitchen?